Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance.
Today I am sharing with you a herbal remedy for winter allergies. This remedy is effective for all kinds of allergies, especially cough, runny nose, sneezing, asthma and respiratory irregularities caused by cold. You should complete this treatment to get rid of these ailments permanently. All ingredients included in this remedy are good to remove causes of allergy very fast. Now start the recipe for this treatment. You will need some herbs. Get them from online Indian stores. Take costus root 100 gram, chicory seeds 5 gram, nigella seeds 25 gram, golden crest seeds 10 gram, fenugreek seeds 5 gram. Method: grind all the herbs into a fine powder and save. Dosage: use 1 teaspoon in the morning and 1 hour after meals in the evening with a glass of lukewarm water for 1 month.
Friends, if you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.